On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What's up, RC MiniTruck? Good thing it's an action camera. Keep her low. A little too top heavy. Darn it, I lost the mirrors again. These mirrors pop off pretty easy. Too much money to be putting on that RC to flip over. But I figured make a cool video. Now we should be able to rip. As long as I got battery left. What's up, RC MiniTruck? Just like Mini. Hold her to the floor and don't let up. got a switch for speed mode and a switch for turning the steering so it cuts on an angle more for drifting. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought it was stuck. Oh, and it's brake when you go backwards. It doesn't go straight to reverse. No. Can't get this camera on there either. I gotta find... Where did I flip this out here? Over here somewhere. I gotta find the other mirror. You gotta find the other mirror. You're the one that did it. There it is. Oh, look what I got. It's only two-wheel drive, but it should still be fun. It actually doesn't feel cheap. Posi rear, it's got lockers. Hanging out for dear life now.
Oops. Sorry, little elephant. Ah!
Not great, but it's pretty good just to play with, especially if you want just a novelty. Because it's actually pretty detailed. And when you shut the remote off, it flashes the lights. And I ordered a van.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.